Wozani bagiti, wozani. Come, brothers and sisters, come. Sekuyisikhathi se-Afrika. Sukuma. Uye Phambili.
Rise with us. Walk forward with us.
In July 2026, St Stithians College humbly and proudly opens the gates to our great African village, a home of fellowship, curiosity and possibility, a home under the golden African sun. Here in the beating heart of Johannesburg, our family of schools invite you with open arms. From our vibrant city and beyond, we send our call to our IBSC brother schools across the world. Come, stand with us in the spirit of humanity and belonging, which is what we call Ubuntu, the belief that we are because of each other.
We are thrilled to welcome you to the cradle of humankind at a moment of celebration, reflection, and unity.
A time when we honor the voices of our children and commemorate a defining chapter in our history.
50 years ago, on June 16, 1976, the courageous youth of our Rainbow Nation stood together against oppression.
Demanding a future where education was an equal right, not a privilege.
Their bravery echoes through the generations, inspiring all of us to continue their call.
Sukuma, Uye Phambili.
Since 1953, St Stithians has been more than a school. It has been a home of learning, a forge of character, and a sanctuary where young minds ignite with curiosity and courage. Our boys embark on a transformative journey from the junior preparatory school, grade RRR to grade 2, the Gateway, to the boys preparatory school, grade 3 to grade 7, and finally to the boys college, where they step into the world as young men of integrity and vision.
Like you, we stand as a beacon of education and excellence. Together, let us honor the past, embrace the present, and rise towards the future.
Like you, we are called to lead in boys' education, to nurture servant leaders guided by integrity, courage, and the values of faith, love, and kindness. Like you, we believe learning is not confined to the classroom.
It is written on the sports field, where resilience and brotherhood are forged.
It is painted in the arts, where voices awaken and creativity ignites.
It's whispered in the wilderness, where nature teaches wisdom and humility. It's lived through service, where leadership is shaped by the heart.
Like you, we strive to be better, and like you, we seek to rise higher.
So we call you to join the great Imbizo, the gathering of hearts and minds and hands. Be entertained by dynamic speakers, be inspired by cutting-edge presentations, and collaborate in engaging workshops.
Come engage in conversations that shape our world.
Come dream, reflect, and reimagine the future of boys' education.
Come, ignite your hearts with passion, wisdom, and purpose.
Our mission, purpose, and passion is to walk the path towards manhood with our boys and support them as they emerge as great young men, ready to serve, lead, contribute, and make a world of difference in the lives of others.
From our Kamulka Bush School, where unity is learned in the wild embrace of nature, to our classrooms and fields on campus, where boys are prepared for a world beyond school, our vision extends far beyond textbooks.
We open the doors to opportunities that broaden our minds, from global initiatives and leadership programs to cultural exchanges and community outreach.
We usher our students into a South African tapestry of industry at the forefront of research, academia, innovation, technology, business and finance, to stand on the shoulders of our global icons.
And when the sun dips below the horizon, Africa's magic does not sleep. Instead, adventure calls. Hamba, go, and explore her many adventures.
Be a man of greatness now, a man so tall, a man so kind. Be a man of wisdom now,
A man of mind, a man not blind. Be a man of kindness now. A man so big and strong in mind. Be a man so humble now. A man of men, now let it shine. Hear the children, they are talking to you. Hear the wind blow, that is calling for you. See the cross grow, it whispers your name. See the fire glow, your heart's in the flame. Wozani, bagiti. Wozani, bagiti. We are growing higher and higher. We are growing higher and higher. We are growing higher and higher. We are growing higher and higher.
Come to South Africa.
Come to South Africa.
Come to South Africa. Feel her pulse. Answer her call.
Sukuma, Uye Phambili. Rise with us, walk forward with us.
Growing higher and higher.